Everyone, my name is Haikal Setia. I'm from the accounting department. Today, I'm excited to introduce my product, Ultramilk. Ultramilk is a high-quality UHT milk made from careful selected fresh cow milk using ultra-high temperature technology. Ultramilk is processed at high heat for a short period to preserve essential nutrients as protein, calcium, and vitamin I, D, B2, B12 without the need for preservative. This process makes ultra milk safe, hygienic, and long-lasting, even when stored at room temperature before opening. Ultra milk, make your move now.